Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your PIN number on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you're going to do is open up your settings. So just swipe up and tap on settings. And after you've done that, we're going to check a couple different places to be able to find that PIN number, even if you forgot it. The first thing that we can do is look for the PIN either by tapping on security and privacy, or you can also just tap on search and you can just search for PIN. You can see here PIN, lock screen, and biometrics. If you don't see it in there, again, you can just instead just tap on security and privacy. And now you'll be able to see within security and privacy, if I scroll down, here's my lock screen and biometrics. You can see PIN, Face ID, as well as fingerprints. Now, if you don't remember what that PIN is, there are some options. Let's tap on it. You'll be able to see it immediately just asks you for that PIN. I would first recommend just trying a couple different PINs. So if I type in a bunch of ones, you can see it doesn't work. It says try again. If I type in my real PIN and you eventually get it, you'll be able to see a screen that looks like this. And you can just tap on PIN here, and then you can just reset it to whatever you want, and then you'll have that new PIN number. However, let's say you don't know what that PIN is. You tried a couple different times and you can't get it. The next thing I would recommend doing instead of going in there is let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. On your Android phone or your Samsung phone, we'll tap on the search bar and we're going to search for smart things. And you can see connected devices, tap on smart things. Now, within here, we can use smart things to be able to reset that PIN even if you don't know the old one. Essentially, this just registers your phone to your account so that it knows that this is your phone and allows you to reset it. So let's tap on smart things here. And then let's just hit don't allow and cancel. Now keep in mind on here, we can go to device. And if you haven't already, just tap on the little plus and add your device on here. You can see I can just add my Samsung Galaxy phone on here. And by doing so, I will be able to go through the process of resetting that PIN. Now, let's say this doesn't work for you or you don't have a Samsung phone. You can always use the Google Find Hub if you wanted to. So we can hop out of here and instead we can just search for the Find Hub. You can see there it is. Just tap on Find Hub and you might need to download the Find Hub on your phone. Keep in mind it is an app. You can see here is Google's Find Hub. So try that as well. Just download and install it if you don't have a Samsung phone. The last thing we can do to be able to get in and basically fix it if you don't know that PIN is to open up your settings and go back to the very beginning of your settings. From here, all we need to do is scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see at the bottom is General Management. Let's choose that, and you can see, again, a bunch of options, but we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and at this point, if you're not able to recover or reset that PIN, your best option is just to reset your entire Android phone. And by doing so, you can tap on Reset, and then factory data reset. Keep in mind, after you go through this process, you can back up everything so you don't lose anything on your phone. But by going through the process of factory resetting it, you'll essentially be able to set up a new PIN number after you go through this process to be able to log into your account. So just scroll to the bottom and tap on the reset button. It'll go through the process. And again, then you can set up a new PIN number that you will remember down the road. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.